Welcome to the CCN News Desk. Today, we're talking about concealed carry, firearms, and reciprocity laws in Maine. Ah, Maine, home to the best lobster. Now, hey guys, remember, this is not legal advice. Please consult your state's official government website prior to acting on anything stated in this broadcast. And as always, for the most up-to-date information, please visit Maine's reciprocity map on concealedcoalition.com. Let's kick it off with our first question. Kate?
Does Maine recognize constitutional carry? Basically, does Maine allow you to carry a gun without a permit? Yes, constitutional carry is legal in the state of Maine. Does Maine allow open carry of guns? Open carry is legal in Maine without a permit for any person 21 or older. It is also legal for individuals who are at least 18 and in active duty who have also been honorably discharged from the military. Those who can legally possess a firearm are allowed to carry their firearm openly. Is concealed carry legal in Maine? Concealed carry is legal in Maine without a permit for any person 21 or older. It is also legal for individuals who are at least 18 and in active duty who have also been honorably discharged from the military. How difficult is it to obtain a carry permit in Maine? Maine is a shall-issue, permitless carry state, so you don't need a license to carry your concealed weapon. Licenses are available in the form of a CCDW, though, which ensures your right to carry your protected in other states. Training is mandatory to receive your license, and the state police handles these permits.
Can you carry a concealed handgun in a vehicle in Maine? Yes, carrying a handgun in a vehicle is legal in Maine. Can you carry a concealed firearm at roadside rest areas in Maine? Yes, you can carry a concealed firearm at roadside rest areas. Can you carry a concealed firearm in state and national parks, state and national forests, and wildlife management areas in Maine? Yes, although open carry is prohibited in state parks. Can you carry a concealed firearm in bars and restaurants that serve alcohol in Maine? Yes, as long as you are not under the influence or unless posted. I couldn't follow the storyline of Stephen King's It.
Why?
Too many main characters.
People from Maine are so self-centered.
How?
All their t-shirts and mugs say, "I love me." How many states recognize my Maine permit? 16 states recognize full reciprocity in Maine, and 7 states recognize reciprocity with restrictions in Maine. Where can't I carry a concealed firearm in Maine? The law does not otherwise change where a person can carry or who may possess a firearm. It will still be illegal to possess a firearm in the following places with some very limited exceptions: courthouses, state parks, Acadia National Park, schools, federal buildings, state capital areas, private property when prohibited by a property owner, establishments licensed for on-premises consumption of liquor if the premises are posted. Note that even if there are no posted prohibitions, it is illegal to carry on these premises while under the influence of intoxicating liquor or drugs. Wildlife sanctuaries, labor disputes and strikes, Baxter State Park as prohibited by rules, Allagash Wilderness Watery as prohibited by rules. What is the legal age for handgun purchase and concealed carry permit in Maine? The minimum age is 21 years old. It is also legal if you are at least 18 and on inactive duty or have been honorably discharged from the military. Can I bring my concealed firearm to another state when I visit? Yes, Maine shares reciprocity with 23 additional states. Please refer to concealedcoalition.com's reciprocity maps for more information.
Can you carry or possess a firearm on hotel property in Maine? Not if the hotel owner prohibits it. Hotels have their own policies and procedures, so you should contact the hotel to find out. Do you have a duty to notify a police officer that you're carrying a concealed firearm in Maine? Yes, you do have a duty to inform a law enforcement officer that you're carrying a concealed firearm in Maine if you're carrying without a permit. No, if you're carrying concealed with a permit. However, we recommend always informing the officer that you are lawfully carrying a firearm. Are no weapons allowed signs enforced in Maine? Yes, if entering a location that is clearly posted, they are guilty of criminal trespassing. Does Maine have any red flag laws? Nope, there are no red flag laws in Maine. Does Maine state law define brandishing? No, Maine law has no definition of brandishing. However, no one is permitted to display a firearm, slingshot, knuckles, bowie knife, dirk, stiletto, or another dangerous or deadly weapon, usually in the attack on or defense of a person in a threatening manner. Does Maine have laws regarding carrying a concealed firearm while using alcohol or chemical substances? It is not permitted to conceal carry a firearm in a licensed establishment while under the influence of alcohol or drugs, or a combination of alcohol or drugs, or with an excessive level of alcohol, such as a blood alcohol content of 0.08 or greater. What happened when a Maine fisherman was late to work?
What?
She lost her job.
What's a lion's favorite state?
What?
Maine. Can you conceal carry weapons other than handguns in Maine with a concealed carry license? No, you are not allowed to conceal carry weapons that are not handguns. Is it legal to own a taser or a stun gun in Maine? Yes, it is legal in Maine to purchase and possess stun guns and tasers without a permit. They are allowed to be used in defense of a person or that person's dwelling place. Is it legal to buy or use chemical spray or pepper spray in Maine? Yes, it is legal to purchase and use disabling chemicals in Maine. They are allowed to be used to defend a person, premises, retaking property, preventing that taking, or preventing criminal mischief. Does Maine have magazine capacity restrictions for handguns? Maine does not have a restriction on magazine size. Does Maine have ammunition restrictions? Yes, armor-piercing ammunition is restricted.
Does Maine issue concealed carry licenses to non-residents? Yes, Maine allows non-resident permitting. Does Maine allow the public to access concealed carry registry information through public records law? There is no public access to this information. Is a permit required to purchase a handgun in Maine? Maine does not require a permit to purchase a firearm. Are background checks required for private gun sales in Maine? No, private firearms transfers do not require a background check. However, federal guidelines still apply. Do handguns need to be registered in Maine? There is no legal requirement to register firearms in Maine. What is the minimum age to possess and transport a handgun in Maine? You must be at least 18 years old to transport or concealed carry in Maine.
Well, that's all the time we have for you today. Thanks for tuning into CCN, your Concealed Coalition Network, helping you protect what matters most. I'm Kate.
And I'm Sam.
And remember to be a guardian always and a warrior when needed.